So hi everyone, welcome to the another video of School Youth Ideathon, and in this video we are going to discuss the Kit Company Challenge, how you can register yourself as a vendor and how you can list your product. Come on, let's start. So now the next step would be you have to go on Google and search the Kit Company, and once the page opens you need to select at my account, and once this page loads and there are two options, login and register. Obviously you're visiting first time, you need to register. Select I am a vendor and all these options are there. First you need to fill your email address, first name, last name and the shop name. So the shop name is the important part. In the shop name you need to add your UID which you have got from the results. So add your UID here, and there a street part is here. So here you have to add your correct address which will be using as a shipment. So please add your correct address in this. Okay, and there are rest details are there, phone number is asked and the school name has also been asked. Please select that, and once each and every details is done, then you need to select on the register button. So once you register, you will be landed over the dashboard, and you can see on the left side there are many options are there. You need to select the product. Alright, once you select the products option, then you have to select the add new product because you will be listing your product. So once you click on the add new product, so you see there's a title, you can add a product name, and also you can upload the right images of your product, the clear images. And as there are categories of the product, so first we'll be understanding about the physical product. You select the physical product, do done. All right, and once you select the physical product, so then you need to add the price, and if you are offering a discount you can add the discounted price as well. This is optional. And then you can leave these two options, and the dimensions are important: length, width and height and weight. So these dimensions are important. For shipment we want these dimensions. And once everything is done, so write the short description about your product and the description as well. Alright, so you can leave this inventory and other option part. So this is all for the physical product if your product lies in the physical category, and then you can save the product. Alright, so the second category we have is the service category. If your product comes under the service category, you need to select the option here in the category is service. And once you select that, you need to click on the virtual and downloadable option. Why you have to click it on that? Because once if you don't click on these options, so then there will be a charge by the shipment as well if somebody tries to download your product. Alright, so service category, if we talk about, it means about if you are coming up with something into graphic designing or blog writing, so that type of idea or the product would be listing in this category. And rest all of the details are same. You have to fill all the details in, and once everything is done, then click on this save product. That's it. Okay, so the last category is our fundraise category, and if your idea doesn't come under physical or the service category, it comes under the fundraising, raising for money raising as in. So you can select this category, and once this category is raised, for the pricing you can ask the amount between 500 to 2000. You can enter the amount between that. All right, and if you have uploaded images, if you want to upload the images, if you have the right images of your product or whatever the idea is about, you can upload it here, and rest the details would be same. Ignore the dimension part in this, and you can add the description as well of your product, and that's all. You are good to go, and you can just save the product.